small house in his heart, but he loved the young actress who adored flowers with